Can I do day trading on Webull? Can I do day trading on Webull? So the answer is yes, Webull allows day trading, but rules depend on the account type that you have with Webull. Webull offers cash and margin accounts. Margin accounts, they follow the $25,000 rule that you need in your account in order to be able to do day trading. Cash accounts avoid the rule but have settlement delays. You can trade stocks and ETFs. You can also trade options via your day trading account on Webull. Webull has better charts than Robinhood. It's my opinion. Feel free to disagree in the comment section below. And it's popular with active traders, day traders as well. You can trade during extended hours as well. Frequent traders may trigger restrictions, so just bear that in mind. So beginners should start slow and avoid mistakes because day trading can be risky as well. But can I do day trading on Webull? The answer is yes. Webull allows day trading, but rules depend on the account type that you have with Webull.